My name is Jenny Bird from Jenny Bird Handbags, President and Head Designer of the company. The Jenny Bird line has a modern vintage silhouette with vintage-inspired hardware. Chic Italian black lambskin and other beautiful Italian leathers make the collection something very special. It's elegant and chic. Jenny Bird Handbags has a very special modern vintage silhouette with vintage-inspired hardware, all luxurious Italian leathers in lamb and beautiful colors. Very chic and elegant. The Jenny Bird collection is available at fine boutiques and ranges from $2.95 to $6.95 retail. You can visit us at jenny-bird.com.